Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review on a washcloth, microfibre cloth, just for a hand. You can stick your hand in it to wash either your cars, you can wash your car with it, you can wash your motorbike with it, you can wash anything really with it. It's very good, it's very soft, so it doesn't damage what you're washing. Say if it is a car or a motorbike, if it's you have paint on it, or if you have it wrapped, this won't do any damage to it because it's microfibre, it's really soft. I got this in where I think I got it in the local like €2 shop. It was only like €2-3, so basically it's very cheap as well. So €3 for these are so handy, because in other places I think I paid €8 or €10 for the other ones, and these are just the exact same, like, so there's no real difference. So basically you can put your hand in here, have your hand in here like that, So if you're washing, you just have it facing that way. Sorry, so your hand's that way, facing that way. So you're going to be doing that, washing inside of your car, motorbike, whatever. Basically, it's just so handy to, if you don't want to mark anything, and you wash it and you can dry it out then, if you have a clothesline, just to dry it out. But definitely would recommend these. They're fairly cheap. You can get them fairly cheap, so don't be going buying really expensive ones, because they're the exact same. There's no point really buying a dearer one when the cheap ones are just do the exact same job. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, peace.